Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to make a PDF file from images. So first of all, head over to Canva. Now here, click on create a design and go on upload. Upload the desired images from here. I'm going to upload this one and click on use in a new design. Click on custom size and click on create new design. Now from here you can add many images as you want. After that, click on the share button and click on download right over here, and under file type click on this drop down menu and select PDF standard. Now click on select all pages. Make sure you have selected all the pages. Now click on download. As you can see, PDF file with multiple images. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.